So I'm gonna show you guys how I made one pancake, and originally I was gonna make captions and all that, like step by step, like how I think I usually do. I don't remember how I make videos anymore, but then I thought about it and I was like, I'm gonna make a voiceover instead of just doing captions. And then I thought I was gonna do both of them, and so now I'm just gonna watch the video with you guys with commentary sprinkled in there. Um that's about it. I don't This video was supposed to be done like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, you gotta get a bowl. Yeah, you gotta mix it. Gotta speed this up real quick. Yeah, make sure to make a mess on the side of the bowl too. That's really important, I would say. Scrape off the mess on the bowl, not the one, not the puddle of mix on the, counter. Don't do that. It's kind of nasty. So at this point I realized that I needed more water, but I just, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Honestly, I think the mixing sound is really pleasing when it's on 4 times speed. Look at that. Look at that Pam placement on the pan. That's crazy. Mm-hmm. That's a pretty big pancake, I won't lie. Pretty big. So we don't have a spatula in the house, I don't think. So I was just using whatever this thing is. Whatever that is. Don't know what that is. Flip that thing over. Yo, look at that. Nice. I still don't know what that is. I'm never gonna find out what that is. Gotta put some jam because it was like 10 a.m. and I was like I was hungry. I wanted some jam. No syrup. Yeah, spread that. Yeah. We gotta try it. What? Look at that. Why did I cut into it like 2 times like that? Very nice.